What's up, guys? Give me just a moment here. Good morning. Give me just a moment here. All right, Timbo, I see you, brother. All right, testing that 200 SMA on the, what is this, the 1 hour time frame. We'll see if we get some resistance. We did just break the 50 on the 1 hour, so we're gonna see what happens here. Good morning, everybody. Who's in here? Ashkri Patel, what's up? Tim and Jimmy, good morning. I just got up and saw Mvis doing its thing, so yeah, maybe we get the breakout today, maybe not. We're gonna wait and see. We're gonna find out. Tell you that much. It looks promising. I mean, like I said, we might just create more liquidity up here and fall off. We're gonna see. 545 on the ticker right now on Fintel. 1.2 million available on Fintel. So yeah, I mean, a couple more shorts have closed, and we're gonna see what happens with our baby here. Like I said, we broke that 50 SMA on the 1 hour time frame, on the daily time frame. Obviously, we have not done that yet, but the 50 is kind of just pulling away from that trend line there. You can see kind of some gap in between the trend line and the 50. The 50 was just really spot on with the trend line here. So it looks promising. It does look promising. We'll have to wait and see. Like I said, you know, anybody saying, oh, it's going to do this, it's going to do that, it's going to go to $40, it's going to, you know, go to $2. I don't trade like that. You might trade like that. I don't have a crystal ball. So all I can do is react to the price action. So if we break out, then I could say, okay, the next level up is here. The next level up from that is there. I can't really predict when it's going to happen, right? Or where it's actually going to go. That's not really possible. Jimmy says needs to sell off here, and I think we might have a breakout. We might. We definitely might. Jory LaFountain, thank you for the comment. Says any news or this just a reversal in the trend? No news. We have that virtual CES 2022 coming up. They're going virtual with it, but I mean, it's still good. It's still a good thing. It's still a good thing. Oh, you know what? I gotta change my tags. Give me 1 second here. I forgot to do this. It's still good. It's still a good thing. All right. Actually, they were decent. Anyways, 544 on the ticker. Let's get down to like a 30. See what's going on the 30-minute time frame. Trading View is lagging today. All right. So basically, let's see. So this yellow zone right here, just so you guys know, this big yellow zone, this is actually the golden zone from this move. If you guys are watching your screen right now, this is actually the golden zone from this original move up to 975 and back down to 488. So this is a golden zone over here, but both of these demand zones are actually inside of this golden zone. So when we start finding zones within zones, it's a good thing. All right. So like I said, we're going to remove this over here a little bit. Excuse me, guys. It is freaking cold over here where I'm at right now. I don't know where you guys are. It's cold over here. Anyways, we are back up in this. We're back up in that top demand zone, guys. We're back up in it. That one that we broke through on the 29th of December. We came down and kind of came pretty close to this next zone. Found some support at 501, basically $5. And now we are back up at 545. So, hey, I'm ready. I got $10,000 ready for this, just so y'all know. I was gonna load it in this zone here. I told you guys I'm either loading it here or I'm loading it on the breakout. So if we break out today, you're gonna see me drop 10 dimes in here. Thumbs up in the chat for Trade Mo James dropping 10 dimes in Mvis. I'm doing it, I promise you. And it is cleared in Webull, by the way. I just put $25,000 in my Webull account to diversify my portfolio. So 10,000 of that is going to go into Mvis at some point. So shout out to me for making big boy moves. Let's get it. Let's get it. Tesla's up 10%. Wow. I did just buy another Ethereum coin for all of you that are in Discord. You know that. And I'll probably buy another one if it drops down to 3,500. Trevor says, what's up, James? How you doing this year? I'm doing good, man. How are you? Happy New Year to everybody, by the way. Happy New Year. Happy freaking New Year. All right, so yeah. So, I mean, like I said, I'm either putting that 10K in here or I'm going to buy it. I'm going to put it in at the breakout. So, yeah. And if we do break out, we look at the daily time frame. Well, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. If we do break out, all right, we're definitely at a bare minimum coming up to the 200. At just like a bare minimum, we're coming up to, you know, 615 or something. I think it's going to go much further than that if we break out, but we'll see. We shall see. Make sure you guys like this video, by the way, if you don't mind. Hit the like button on this live. I appreciate it. I'm trying to get caffeinated here. Who all's in here, man? Who's in here lurking? What's up? Let's get some rockets in the chat for Mvis if you're listening to this right now. Let's get some rockets up in the Chizat for Microvision. It's gonna come, guys. I'm telling you. One day it's gonna happen. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but I kind of am at the same time. One day it's gonna happen. We're gonna break out of this stupid wedge, and we're gonna just run, and it's gonna happen. It happens with every stock. It does. I mean, it just happens. It can't go down forever. It just can't. Now we can trade sideways, but that's not what's happening here. The market is not consolidating right now. It is downtrending. So we already did some consolidation over here. This was some hardcore consolidation. Put a bunch of liquidity on both sides of the market, right? And this is what happened. They targeted all the liquidity on this side of the market. It was obvious. It's so obvious when you think about it and you look at this. Like, how many people thought this? I mean, come on. They have, I mean, you got to think about this. They had nothing over here going on for them, really. They had no products, allegedly. They had no revenue, right? And everyone was selling here. There was so much money up here. So they had to pump it like this. It makes so much sense. They took all these sellers out up here. They just smashed them. Everyone that was selling right here got wrecked. And now they're slowly taking the buyers out, and they've already done it. So the money's back on the top side, guys. It is. It's back on the top side of the market. Oh my gosh, we're getting so close. Oh my god. Oh my god. 552. Come on, baby. Do it. One time. Break that 50. We're getting so close to 50 SMA on the 4-hour time frame here. Oh my god. My hands are all clammy. They really are. And I'm good under pressure. And my hands are freaking clammy right now. Like, oh my god. Break out of this wedge one time. And I don't think we're going to get a fake out. This isn't like FOREX, right? Like where we get faked out. I think if this breaks this wedge, how long is this? June 10th? We're going to say for shits and gigs that it was June 7th. July, August, September, October, November, December, January. So it's been basically 7 months of this shit. 7 months. If we break out of this wedge, it's gonna freaking go. It's gonna go like 30%. I mark my words. We're gonna run like 30%. If this goes out of this wedge, I'm not guaranteeing it, but I'm just saying, like, hypothetically speaking, it could really just run like that. So I think we're testing 975 on the breakout. What does that put us right here? 975. Somewhere about right there. I'm like just convinced that that's going to happen. No, I don't know if we find we're obviously going to find some resistance here possibly, but that's still a huge run. That's almost a $3.50 run. That's almost a $4 run. Trevor says, with the new year, the institutions are more likely to redeploy capital in the markets. I would think, right? I would think. We run into 1460. Let's get it. Oh my God. 1460. I'm okay with that. I'm definitely okay with that. Oh, we're getting so close, guys. 553 on the ticker. Come on. Break that shit. Oh, it looks so good right now. We just broke. All right, so check it out. So on the 30-minute time frame, we just broke the 50 and the 200, and the 50. We're about to have a golden cross on the 30-minute time frame. So guys, the market is fractal, right? This happens in waves. So like, I guarantee on the 15, we've already had the golden cross, or we're about to. So if you keep going down in time frames, you're gonna see more and more like of this stuff. So we're about to have a golden cross in the 15. Oh, we're so close, y'all. So close. We're back up at the top of that demand zone. Oh my God. Let's get it. Atul Stugier, I can't read it, I'm sorry. Sitting on 37,000 shares. Oh my God, that's a lot. That's a shitload of shares, my brother. You're gonna be a rich man. Ready for the reversal, let's go. All right, let's get it. We gotta will this into the universe, y'all. I want you guys to type as many rockets as you can. Let's will this shit. Here, I'm gonna type some too, let's get it. I miss the rockets. If you're an OG on this channel, you're gonna type rockets right now. You just are. You have to. And if you want these rockets, press that join button under this video to join the YouTube family and support my work. All right. I really appreciate all of you that do that, by the way. Thank y'all very, very much. All of you that support me, you know, through that join button. I really appreciate you. I really, really, really do. I put a lot into this shit. I really, really do. All right. Where we at? 553. So, I mean, I don't know. We could. This is a potential play out. Let's talk about the negatives here, which really wouldn't be a negative, but on this lower time frame, and even on the 30-minute time frame, we could essentially, like, since we've broken out of the 200, we could just find resistance here. Okay, it is the top of the demand zone and this wedge. We could come back down and test this this 200, and then have the break. It could do that too. All right, it could do that too. So, you know, if we don't just straight break out, it's not the end of the world. All right, it's not the end of the world. I see you guys. Let's get it. But anyways, yeah, like I said, we could find some resistance up here. All right, this is a level of structure looking to the left. We got some structure here. So, like I said, we could easily just come up, test the trend line, and come back down for the retest, which would basically, and this is all this other stuff that all these YouTubers do. I mean, I'm telling you guys, you don't need all that crap, all right? I mean, it's great to have it in your tool belt. Like I said, I use basic things, all right? I don't really sit here and, I mean, you can use Elliott wave theory. You can use, you know, all these things, and they're great to know and have. But naked price action is all you need. I'm telling you guys, all right? I'm telling you. It's great to know all that stuff, right? It's great. I don't really use Elliott wave theory. I know about it. I know what it is. I know how to use it. It's a good tool to use. It's a good tool to have. But like I said, if I just pull my fib from here to here, I already know a 50% retracement is testing this 200 SMA. I mean, that's probably going to happen if we don't break out from this. So, I mean, like I said, I like to keep things simple. That's just my way of trading. Y'all do you. All the other YouTubers do you. But from my experience, I don't like to overcomplicate things. That's just me. That's just me. And it works out for me. It's worked out for me. Very, very well. Mind you, very well. Very, very, very well. Let's just say that. All right, we're getting close here. 554 on the ticker. Oh my God. But yeah, no, like seriously, if you guys just have like a basic understanding of price action, you know your candlestick patterns, you know how to use a few indicators. Oh, we're getting so close. Oh my God. We're so freaking close here. And you know, supply and demand, those are like Really, like, if you can master those things, you can make so much money in these markets. I kid you not. Oh, we're so close. Oh my God. 556, let's go. For the day, we are up 10.94%. I don't know. We might pull back here. We might pull back to that, but see, here's the thing though. We've gotten the crosses on the lower time frames, right? 5 minute, 15 minute is based. Oh, oh my God, we just broke it. Oh my God, we just broke it. Let me make sure this is super tight here. I want to make sure this is super tight. Let me make sure that this is tight. Tight is right. Giggity. All right, I'm just scrolling up through these. All right, we're good. All right, this is fairly tight. So, like I said, if we break this, oh my God. Hurry, I'm all nervous. Oh, oh my God, we're right at the cusp, guys. Look at this candle, we're right at the cusp. This is a super tight line too. Oh, please keep going. Go, go, go. For the love of God. $5.56 on the ticker. This is like crazy. This is 7 months of just craziness. Might finally be coming to an end. Come on, Mvis. I mean, it's really not Mvis. It's really the market makers. If they decide this thing's going up, that's when it's going up. It's just that simple. We just gotta hope that those assholes woke up on a good day today. Oh, those scumbags. Atslu. Atslu, is that how it is? Atslu? Or Atslu? Atslu. Atslu, Tiger. Let's get it, man. Let's freaking go. Mavis my baby, man. You guys, I mean, I'm not saying you guys don't love Mavis, but dude, I love Mavis. And not just because of the stock. This Microvision is I went crazy creating this YouTube and this Discord. It's just, I have a lot of emotional attachment to this freaking thing. So, I mean, it's you guys have no idea. You have no idea. LSU like the college. Yes. Oh. I'm dumb. It's too early. 5:58. Let's go. Oh my God, we broke it. Oh God, please keep going. Go, go, go. Microvision, you better freaking go. I'm gonna add this right now. I'm adding 5,000 right now. Oh, I hope this isn't a mistake. I expect kind of a pullback here, but I don't know. We did just break it, dude. We did just break it. We did break it. Holy crap. Oh my God. I'm adding 5,000. I need a little bit more oomph to do it. I can't do it yet. I need a little bit more. I need a little bit more. Because, I mean, we've already ran to, what, 12% almost? I don't know. This one broke it too, barely. This one barely broke it too, this candle right here. And look what happened. I need a little bit more. I need a little bit more. I'm going to hold off just a few minutes. Oh my God. We actually broke it. Oh my God. All right, so this is, here we go. We literally have broken the wedge, guys. We have broken the wedge. I mean, you see it on your screen. We broke the wedge. And this line is tight as hell. This isn't some bullshit line. This is the trend line. I'm ready to buy 5,000. If we get over, let's see. I'm going to say this level of structure. If we get over 563, I'm buying. If we get over 563, I'm buying. 5,000 going in. Oh my God, we're running. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, let's check the 1 hour. Oh yeah, the 50 is just, halted here. It looks so good. All right, come on. Yes, let's freaking go. Make sure you guys hit the like button on this video, all right? This shit is about to rip. And all the haters out there, you're about to feel the burn. You're about to feel this. Feel it. Hey, sometimes, guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this computer crashes. So if I crash, reload this YouTube in like 3 minutes, I'll be back on. You would think paying almost $4,000 for a computer, it wouldn't do this, but it does. So, yeah, let me move this crap. Hold up. There we go. If I do crash, I will be back in less than 3 minutes. All right, so we found some resistance here at this level, and you can see right here where it was. If you look to the left here, there's these two candles right here. We found resistance right here, and this was like, this is what I said, basically at, okay, we felt, good thing I didn't buy yet. All right, we're back down a little bit here. 556, back inside the wedge, basically. You see? You see? I needed a little bit more oomph. I'm glad I didn't do this yet. We already ran. What are we up right now? 12%? 10%? All right, 11%. Slight resistance. We're gonna see what happens there. It's not the end of the world, guys, if we pull back and come back down and do this, okay? We either come back down to the bottom of the zone to structure and then have the breakout, or we come down to that, which is basically just, we come down to this 200. But look at the SMAs. They're now curving upwards, all right, so that's good. And it doesn't always play out perfectly, guys. You gotta keep that in mind. These, you know, these are indicators, okay? It doesn't mean it's guaranteed, right? Because look, we had a golden cross here on this 15-minute, and we barely went anywhere. So, but when we start getting them on the higher time frames, oh my God, there it goes, there it goes. Let's go, let's freaking go. Oh hell yes, 561. Let's get it. Oh, keep going, run. Let's freaking go. We just broke that shit. Let's do it. We got 31 people in here. Let's get 31 freaking rockets up in that chat right now. We just broke a 7-month wedge. Let's get some freaking rockets, man. We just broke a 7-month wedge. 7 months. Let's get some rockets. Let's go. We just broke a 7-month wedge. Do you guys hear me? 7 months. Oh my God. We just gotta hope it holds. That's it. We gotta hope this shit holds. 7 freaking months of this shit. My God. All right, I'm buying 5,000. Wait, hold up. What are we at? We gotta break 563. No, I'm not. Oh, we did, didn't we? What do we run to? 561? I need 563. I need 563 to do this. I need 563. If we break this line, I'm in for 5K. I need this line to get broke. Oh man, this is crazy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It could be a fake out. I'm not gonna lie to you. It could be. Which is why I need us to break at least a small level of structure. It could definitely easily come back in. Not gonna lie to you guys. Could easily come back in. But I mean, how much volume do we have right now? Hold up. I gotta look at this. We don't have too much volume here. Volume is growing pretty quick though. We're at 2.5 million in volume. Guys, this could be a fake out, all right? I mean, it just could. There's no confirmation yet, but it could be a fake out. It really could. All right, it's happened before, but I mean, like I said, 7 months and we haven't even had a fake out in 7 months, really. I guess if you want to call this a fake out, but that was pretty close. Like this did break the line technically, but we didn't get it closed. So guys, like I said, I'm looking for a close outside of the zone. All right, we have not closed. So if we close on a 1 hour time frame outside of the zone, I'm telling you right now, this could really be it. This could really be it. Oh my God. Say it with me. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is funny. All right. We're at 562. So like, I feel like playing this safe. I mean, I know Mvis. I know this thing could just fall out of the sky right now. It's done it so many times in the last year. I mean, it really has. We've already ran quite a bit. We're up 12% for the day, basically. I need to close on the 1 hour time frame outside the zone. Let's go. We got 18 minutes left. Guys, mark my words. If this candle closes outside of the zone, I'm telling you, it's probably gonna run. It's probably gonna run to structure, which is gonna be about 615, roughly 615. And that's just like at a bare minimum. That might be the resistance line that we find for the pullback. Because if we break out, we might run to structure, pull back for the retest, and then have that. And that's just, it sucks, but that's just, you know, that happens a lot of the times. It happens a lot of times. We might pull back to this demand zone and then rip. What up, S Hall? Oh, S Hall's in? Oh no. If S Hall's in, this thing's gotta go. This guy's been talking about $5 for like a year. This guy's been, if S Hall's in this thing. If S Hall loaded the boat, I'm feeling safe. Oh my God. We got 38 people in here. What's up, y'all? Make sure you hit the like button. I appreciate y'all being here. All right. Much love and respect to all of you, even the haters. Let's get it. I want everybody to win, man. Real talk. I really do. Except like 3 people. Other than that, I want you guys to win. 562 on the ticker. Found resistance right at my line here, 563. This is standard. You think this is coincidence that I could call it like this? No, it's not. I'm a freaking wizard. I'm a freaking wizard. All right, we got to hold. We need this to close. We need this candle to close out here. All right, we got 16 minutes and 41 seconds left on this candle. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, this coffee has never tasted so good. And it doesn't even taste that good. Let's go, Mvis. Oh my God. Come on, Mvis. It's our time, man. 7 freaking months of this shit. It's our time. It has to be. It can't not be. I feel like, I mean, look at this. Let's go to like a daily real quick. We have not even really, dude, we haven't even broken out of this one time until right now. Y'all think this is a coincidence that it's down here at the zone? It's not. This is how it works. You don't need all that extra stuff, I promise you. Like, this is the golden zone of this move. Just so y'all know how I'm doing this. This yellow zone is the golden zone off this move. This is the geometry of the market, all right? Look at your screen. This is the geometry of the market. This golden zone is off this original move to 975. All right, these 2 demand zones are inside of that golden zone. I mean, that's why it just seems like it's just imminent, right? It does. It really looks like it's just straight up imminent. This was gonna happen. But we did break out. We did break out. I mean, we did. Damn, it feels good to be right. Let's go. I'm gonna move that golden zone real quick. All right, we just broke. All right, I was gonna do it here. I changed my mind. I'm getting antsy. I changed my mind. Once this closes outside, I'm gonna do it. If this closes outside, I'm doing it. Because this could just fall off right now. We're gonna see. I need this to close. We got 14 minutes and 41 seconds on the 30. All right, we need to close. We're about to get this golden cross on the 32. Oh man, this looks so freaking good. You guys have no idea. If you don't do price action, you have no idea how good this looks. This shit looks great. Oh my God. Okay, I'm doing it. I don't care. I'm doing it. I can't help myself. I can't help myself. I'm doing it. How much? Okay, hold up. Oh crap. $5,000. I'm buying the market. I'm buying at market price. Oh shit. How many shares am I getting for this? How many shares am I getting for this? I'm doing it. Wait. It's going to get me 850 shares? Is that what it is? 875 shares. Oh my God. All right, 875 shares, done. I swear to God I just did it. I'm posting the Discord. 875 shares just bought. Trade Mo James just bought. I'm putting it in the Discord right now. I shit you not. Let's go. Rockets in the chat. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. $5,000 in this bitch. Whoa. Let's go. I just slapped that ass, baby. I really did. 5 dimes. Let's go. I hope it doesn't reverse. If it does, I'm not going to be too sad about it. Let's go. All right, this is going in the Discord for all of you that think I'm lying for some reason. Hold up. Let me edit this so my shit's not showing. Crop. Boom. Let's go. In the Discord. It's coming in now. It's coming in hot. In the skillet, baby. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Check the Discord. 875 shares. Just bought. $5,000. Let's go. All right, Mvis. Let's freaking do this shit. I'm ready. And you know what, guys? Honestly, even if it does fake out, all right, even if it does fake out, which, I mean, it is what it is. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Because I'm holding this forever. So I don't really care. It could fake out and come back in the zone and drop to $2. It is what it is. We broke out of a 7-month wedge. This is how you day trade. Okay, I mean, it's like, you start breaking out of stuff like this, you take the trade. That's just all it is. If it goes against you, oh well. It is what it is. The only thing that I worry about a little bit with this trade is that we've already ran 12% for the day. So, I mean, you know, technically you could have bought the trade here at the break of the 50 on the 1 hour, and you know, but it is what it is. It is what it is, my friends. That's all right. I'll buy them all. I'll buy them. Send them to me. I will buy them all. Let's get it. Oh man, this thing run me so happy. But it won't be the end of the world, right? Because I have I have 10,000 total I'm willing to put in there. So if we come back down, I'll just be putting 5,000 more back in the zone. So I mean, I'm not really worried about it. Not really worried about it. That dropped my average quite a bit, actually. I think. Let me look. Ah, yes, it did. Nice. So on this account, I have 3 accounts total. I have 3 accounts total. On this account, that purchase just dropped my average to $8. To $8. That's really good. But, you know, I have 2 other accounts with Mvis Share, so. But yeah, a little under $8, actually. A little under $8. Let's go. Win Moon, Win Moon. Make sure you guys hit the like button on this video, please. I appreciate you very much. Today is the day we broke out of the wedge. Just for that, you should do it. Now, Mvis loves to just mess with us. So like I said, I'm not expecting, I'm not expecting it to come back down and retest. So it could happen. It definitely could happen. It really could. So it is what it is. But we're good, guys. We are way good. We are way good, my friends. We need this 1 hour candle to close outside the zone. That's kind of like what we're looking for. You know, that's going to be great for us. If we close outside the zone with this candle, we got 9 minutes and 43 seconds left. We need to close. We need to close outside the zone, outside this wedge. I'm telling you, this could run 30% today. You guys think I'm joking? I'm not joking. This could run another 30%. Easy. Easy. It really could. It really could. It could just go. I mean, this is 7 months of buy pressure, guys. You got to keep that in mind. 7 months. Now, if everyone didn't, like, you know, get scared here and, you know, close their positions or whatever, there's a lot of people that bought here. So like I said, and there's a lot of people that sold all the way too. So like I said, guys, in my other videos, if you watch them, I don't know if you guys watch my recorded videos. Let me know in the chat if you actually watch my videos, because I actually put a lot of time into those. But There's a lot more money on the top side here, guys. I mean, really, there is. All right, they already got all this. All the buyers, they already took all this out. They have not attacked the money on the top side up here. There's a shitload of money up here sitting here waiting. The ones that have been shorting this thing for 7 months. There's a crap ton of money up here. And when I say liquidity, what am I talking about? I want the chat to tell me. When I say liquidity, what am I talking about? I know somebody knows. I'm not even going to say it. Somebody knows. What am I talking about when I say liquidity in the market? Does anybody actually know? I know some of y'all watch my videos, so somebody knows. I'm gonna wait for somebody to comment. Nobody knows? Are y'all kidding me? Somebody knows, come on. Oh my god. All right, I'm just gonna tell you guys. All right, there you go. So Habibs, there you go. Khan, you got it. All the stop limits. So basically retail trader money, right? And there's a lot of it up here. There's a lot of people that were shorting this. A lot. So there's a lot of retail traders stop losses up here above where price is right now. All right. And that's, trust me, the market makers don't forget this stuff. All right. They know. They know all. They're in cahoots with the brokers. They pay for this info. It's obvious. All right. So now they're going to start attacking the top side liquidity. That's just what's going to happen. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. Here we go. 568. Let's go. Oh my God. Yo, if we break this right here, if we break 625, basically, this thing is going to just, oh man, this thing could really run here. Oh man, this thing could run. 568 on the ticker. We got 6 minutes and 55 seconds left on this candle. If we close like this, with this thing looking like this, the next candle is going to be going up. If we close like this with like no wick on the top side and just super voluminous, I mean, these are institution candles, guys. These aren't retail traders. All right, you got to think about this. Why would retail traders just wake up today and say, "Oh, I'm just going to load the boat at 502"? That didn't happen, okay? These are institutional candles. These are not retail traders, I promise you. So knowing that, that's how I'm convinced this is going up. That's why I bought $5,000 here. 570 on the ticker, okay? We look for these institution candles. I don't care about retail traders. We're losing. If you're in my group and you know you're in the zone trading group, we trade off institution candles, all right? We're losing the retail trader mindset. I'm just not playing that game anymore. We follow the big money, all right? That's why we trade off these demand zones. Here we go, 572. Let's go. We're running. All right, who all's in here, man? Sorry, I've been reading the comments. All right, let's see. If you guys didn't know, I just put 5,000 in on the breakout. That dropped my average substantially. All right, under $8 now, which I'm so happy about. All right, I'm very happy about that. So, on this account, I'm under $8 on my average. I can't ask for better than that. I'm gonna make a shitload of money off this trade. I really am. I know it. I can feel it. 572 on the ticker. SHall says my main account still 84 cents. My son's average 525. Those are both really good. Shout out to you. Timeless, I see you, man. Let's get it. Sheesh 508, we're back. You know what? I appreciate all y'all for being here. I really do. But I want to say this. I want to say that I mean this, and I seriously mean this. All y'all that come to my live streams when price is red and when everything's down, and we got like 8 or 9 or 10 people in here, you know, hanging out. Y'all are the real ones, man. Thank y'all for being here today. I appreciate y'all. But the ones that stick around on red days and that stick around when nobody else is around, you guys are the real ones. I appreciate y'all very, very, very much. Shout out to all of you. But the OGs that stick around no matter what, let's get it. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Steroid Bra says, I'm telling you, 1466. Oh, man, I hope so. I hope so. It's going to be a big W if we get a close on outside this wedge. It's going to be a huge W for us. I promise you. Now, we might retest. We might come back down. It could happen. We have run about 12.5% already. But like I said, we're closing outside of the zone with momentum, and that's what we're looking for. That's how we don't want to just like pussyfooting around outside the zone. We want this thing to like close with a big green candle. All right, we got 4 minutes left. Blake, no worries. Thank you. Con, I appreciate you, man. Yeah, I always stay positive with this stock. I know that the only reason we're down here is manipulation, right? I mean, it's hard for me to not be positive about this. I know what we hold here with this company, and you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna stay positive because that's just how I live my life. I have to stay positive. If I start feeling negative and getting in negative mindsets, I kind of just, you know, it's a slippery slope. So you gotta stay positive. I'm glad you guys find your bias with this channel. That's awesome. I don't feel this way about every investment I make, just so you know. I mean, there's some I don't feel the greatest about sometimes, but I know that Microvision, I know that all of the money is on the top side of the market now, so I just feel good that this is probably the floor. I mean, it just makes sense. It makes sense. But guys, if you haven't done this already, I've made a lot of cool videos. Go watch my recorded videos. I would appreciate it. You might learn something too. So I put a lot of time and work into those. Go watch those. Like them, drop a comment, whatever. Joe McGowan, I see you, man. I appreciate the rockets, brother. Thank you. Let's get it. We just need this to hold. That's it. We got 2 minutes and 38 seconds left on this 1 hour candle. All right, let's check our RSI real fast. All right, ripping, standard, duh, obviously. Not overbought yet, so there's still, like I said, there's still a lot of room to run on the 1 hour. On the daily, we probably have a lot more room to run. Like I said, oh man, this looks so good. Oh, this looks so good. We have so much room to run on the daily that's not even funny. We could just be up 50% by tomorrow. Like it could just go like that. You got to think about how long this is actually taken for this to happen. Now, I don't want you guys to like freak out if it does find resistance, because it could. All right, it could just come up, right, and we could get faked out here. We got to get above that 50 SMA on the daily. So that 50 SMA right now is at 596. Okay, so basically we need to get above $6 for the day. That would be perfect. But we could find resistance here, and likely, I'm kind of, now that I'm looking at this, I'm feeling like that might happen. Okay, we might do this. We're gonna come up. I'm not gonna say we're going to, but there's potential here that we come up to this 50 SMA around $6 right here, find resistance, and come back down for the retest of this zone, and then do that. Okay, that could happen. So don't freak out and lose your shit if we find resistance here at the 50 SMA on the daily. That could happen. That really could. I'm gonna say it's a coin flip. It's kind of probably 50% that it's gonna do that, and 50% that it breaks through and goes to the 200. So I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. All we can do is react, right? 569 on the ticker. Let's go. I know, me too. I hope they say something good, man. I hope they say something good. I hope we get some kind of weird random news. That would be awesome. Oh hey, yeah, we just signed a deal with whoever. That would be great. That would be freaking awesome. That really would. And guys, you gotta keep in mind, Summit Sharma and Saval Oz's and all their averages are like around $14, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe all their averages are like over $14. So I mean, there's not a reason in hell that they would have done that if they didn't know this would be back up. There's just not a reason. All the other fundamentals, all the price action, I don't care about nothing else other than that. That's huge. Like, to me, in my mind, why would the CEO take shares at that price if he didn't know it was going to go back up there? I mean, it's like, they know what they got, and they know who they're talking to. They know the ins and outs. I trust them. I do. I trust them. So I don't like their communication. I think it's dog ass. And I think it's terrible. I think that they suck at communication, but I still believe that, you know, they're greedy and they didn't take a $14 average for no reason. So we're gonna be all right. Jose Garcia, what's up, man? He says, I hope it hits $6. I bought some call options for $6 strike. But this would be a great time to get in some options. I'm not even joking. Like, I'm not gonna do it, but this would not be a bad time to hop in some options. For $6 strike for January 7th. All right, nice. That's actually a good trade. You're likely going to do well on that one. Just have an exit strategy, you know, have an exit plan. I don't know if you're doing like leaps or whatever, but have an exit strategy for those options. All right, let's go. We got 51 people in here. Shout out to all you OGs that are in here, man. If you guys want to support my work or whatever, there's a little button that says join under this video. The lowest tier is like $3 a month. I mean, if you want to help me out and stroke my ego a little bit. Number one, drop a super chat. I haven't had super chat in a while. Somebody throw me $1 for God's sake. But if you want to hit that join button, would appreciate that. Oh yes, the nice. Let's go. 569. All right, the next can we closed. We closed outside the zone. Wicks are the same on both sides of this candle. Looks good. Next candle opened green, so we're just looking real good. This looks nice. We got the close. That's all we can freaking ask for, man. That is all we can freaking ask for. Is a close outside the zone, outside this wedge. That is confirmation number one. All right, that is confirmation number one. Confirmation number freaking one. If you guys want me to look at a chart for you, by the way, I will do it. Drop a super chat and I will pull up the chart and look at it for you. 570 on the ticker. This thing is about to rip. Oh my God, this thing is about to go. I can feel it. We're about to get this golden cross on the, what is this, the 1 hour? Oh man, that's gonna be nasty. That is gonna be nasty. We finally broke out, man. Jeez. I'm glad I woke up. I'm glad I woke up. If any of you want to join the Discord team, send me an email, all right, zonetradinggroup@gmail.com, and I will get you on the trading team, all right? Yeah, send me an email, and we'll take care of it. zonetradinggroup@gmail.com if you guys want to get on the team. How does it work with wicks closing and it's showing reversal? Well, I mean, the wick is just showing you like where there's buy pressure and sell pressure, right? So if you have a candle like, you know, like let's just use this one for example, con. This big red candle right here with all this wick, this is just telling you that, hey, we came up to the trend line and then it sold off. So there's a lot of sell pressure here with this big wick on the top side and no body on the bottom. So it's just showing you where the sell and buy pressure is basically, right? Highly recommend grabbing that Candlestick Bible. That'll help you a lot. You can find it for free on the internet, or if you're on the Discord, there's like a bunch of books I uploaded a couple months ago. I believe it's in there. Joseph Garcia coming in with the $1. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate you very much. You know what's crazy? YouTube gets 30 cents. They do. They get 30 cents of that. That's so funny. Joseph, I see you, man. I appreciate you. Oh, that's funny. Wake up with a hit on the boomstick. I wish I had one, actually. Those I might order some more. Those are nice. 571 on the ticker. Let's check our volume for the day. Right now we're up 14%. Oh man, dude, this is crazy. Ay, 14% for the day. That is awesome. Let's see here. We got 3.17 million in volume. And everyone's going crazy on Weeble. It is a little alarming that there's no volume, all right? But guys, listen to me. This is also, I want you guys to hear me out. This is also how we know that this is not retail traders, okay? If there's no volume in the market, if there's no volume on Weeble, right? Because like the volume on Weeble is the retail traders. If there's no volume on Weeble and the market's moving like this, what does that tell you? Somebody answer me. What does that tell you? If there's no volume and the market is moving 14% on a stock that never moves, what does that tell you? That tells you that it's the market makers doing this, all right? That's what it tells you. I'll tell you right now. That's what it is. So we have 3 million in volume, but the market moves 15%. That's like, I mean, come on. We could have 20 million in volume and this thing it doesn't move an inch. All right, that just tells you that this could have been the spot where the market makers are ready to start attacking that topside liquidity. And that is literally what it looks like is happening. So I'm extremely excited about this. I hope we don't just fall out of the sky here. But I don't know. It seems promising. It really does. I trade with the money. I trade with the institutions, guys. I don't trade off hopes and dreams and anything else. I trade where the market makers trade. So yeah, you guys should do that too, because that's how you make money. All right, 570 on the ticker. So I would like to see our next hour candle close above. Let's see right here, basically $6. All right, so I would like to see us get above 6 for the day. That would be amazing, guys. If we can get above this line right here, I mean, that's just going to be freaking awesome. If we get above $6 for the day, that is a freaking win and a half for Mvis holders. All right, straight up, it really is. $6 close today would be absolutely insane. That would be probably almost like 25%. So over 40, and we're just climbing, guys. We're up 14.17% for the day. I mean, the whole market is green. I will say that, which makes me wonder if we're gonna get a pullback. But I'm not too worried about it. I'm really not. I'm not that worried about this. If we do, we do. You know, it is what it is. How many of you added on here? How many of you made a trade here? Did anybody in this stream right here make a trade here? Curious. Did you guys take the breakout trade for a day trade or anything, or what did you guys do here? Let me know your averages. Let me know your how many options. I mean, not options. How many shares you hold? What's your average right now? Let's keep the chat flowing. Smash that like button, Ben. What's up? I appreciate that, man. Yeah, definitely do that. Smash that like button. Let me know your averages. How many shares you guys have and what's your average? If you're listening to this, drop it in the comments. Brian says 3,000 shares at 917. That's actually pretty good. Khan says 5.3 today. What does that mean? 5.3. You have 5,300 shares. TD9175. Thank you for the comment. He says he bought some calls. Nice. Blake has 230 shares at 1164. We're coming for you, Blake. We're coming for you guys. I promise you, we are coming up there to get you. Just hold tight, hold strong. Jory says my first buy was at $1. That's awesome. Bought 1,000 shares. That's what's up. Sold when it hit 15. Oh man, nice come up, brother. That was a good trade. Bought back in at 8. Okay, I see you. ATL Sudiger. I still can't say that name. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not. 37,000 shares at 750. Who can top that? I don't know if anybody can top that, bro. That's a lot of shares. You're probably winning that game here. Joe Rossi 947 at 318. That's a baller average. Tim's got a 1109 at 880. That's awesome. You guys are legit. Oh man, you guys are G's. Really, you are. David Yarbrough 2,000 shares at 1250. We're coming for you. S Hall, yeah, we know S Hall, 84 cents, you asshole. We know. 84 cents, you lucky bastard. All right, Chimpman Z, 5,000 shares at $12. That's what's up. Oh, at 5.3, I got you. All right, so your average is 5.3. Oh, 2.7 at 790. Okay, that's good too. Oh, yes. All right. Might find some slight resistance here at structure. Let's put a line here. All right, we might find some resistance around this zone. Really, it's really like right here. So let me just do what I do here real quick. So yeah, I mean, you can look to the left here and see that there was some consolidation here. Okay, so the market consolidated here for a couple hours, like 10 hours or something. Maybe like half a day. How much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So basically like a day here. A day of consolidation. So we're in an area where it consolidated before. We're going to see, like I said, you see the 50 SMA kind of curving up now. It just looks good. Everything looks kind of good. We found some resistance here at 573. So this might be the pullback. We might come back down to the zone here and retest. That wouldn't be the end of the world. I'm not worried about it at all. It might happen. It could happen. There's like I said, it's probably, I give it a 50-50. Like we either just keep going up or we're going to come back for a pullback. And that's just what's going to happen. It's not going to just trade sideways after this breakout. It's not going to happen. So it's either going to do one of two things. It's just going to go boop, or it's going to come back for the retest of the trend line, probably. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Nikki's got 3,000 at $5. What's up, Nikki? How you been? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Let's see. Sheesh 508, 817 shares at 583. That's good. Y'all got some good averages, man. You really do. Y'all have lower than me. I'm only like, I'm a little under $8 on this account. So shout out to all of you that have me smashed. Bought another 50 at 505, and there's 20 when you bought yours. Nice. Let's go. That's awesome. All right, we're just chilling. We're watching. We're waiting for some more action here. 568 on the ticker. All right, found some slight resistance here. Like I said, we could easily come back for a pullback to the 200. So that's I don't know if it's going to happen or not, all right? But looking to the left here, we are in an area where we consolidated before. So we could easily come back down, guys. It could happen. We did run quite a freaking bit when you look at this. I mean, we're up like 15% for the day. That's pretty freaking big, especially for this stock. So I'm kind of leaning more towards a pullback here than it just ripping out, but we'll see. I mean, I hope I'm wrong. I hope we just go, but it seems like the fact that we've already ran this far this early, maybe we get a pullback to the 200, which would basically put us back down at this trend line. And that's where the real test is going to be if that happens, right? So if we come back to the trend line here, that's where the real test is, because I'm telling you, if we come back, and I actually I mean, I don't want that to happen, but I kind of do, because if we pull back to the trend line, all right, and we find support and we make a higher high compared to the breakout candle. So if we get like above 570 off the retest, that's just like another confirmation for me that we're about to go. So like I said, it just really is. So I wouldn't mind it. I really wouldn't. That would just give me more, more bias for the breakouts happening. Now, guys, I want to tell you this, okay? This is not the reversal. I mean, this could be the reversal, but we don't have confirmation that the reversal has actually happened. For me to feel confident in saying that a actual higher time frame trend reversal has happened, I need price to get above 975. I just do, right? I just do. Now, some people might say, oh, if we get over, the trend line, that's good enough for them. That's not good enough for me. All right, that's not. All right, the market makers could be just attacking this liquidity here. I mean, you got to think about this, all right? There's liquidity all along, and I hope you guys are looking at your screen right now, because I'm dropping some real knowledge. All right, so if you care about price action and being a better trader, pay attention. There's a lot of liquidity on the top side of this trend line now, okay? So the market makers know that there's money, all right, all up in here, under 975, all right, all up in here. So they could essentially just bring the price up to 975, find resistance. They took all the money up here and then bring it back down, and then get the buyers again. Then they could do that. They could do that. And they're scumbags like that. They are. They just target retail traders. That's what they do. So in order for me to feel confident in saying that an actual trend reversal, coming off a 7-month downtrend has happened, I need price to close above 975 and really above $10. So between $9.75 and $10, that for me will be a big enough confirmation that the trend is actually reversed. Just so you guys know. Let's see. Bought another 50. Oh, I already read that one. Nikki says thoughts on upcoming press conference. Webcast to be held on January 5th. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what to say about it. I mean, we're gonna see what they say. That I don't really know. I'm not gonna speculate or anything. I mean, it sounds like they're ready to talk to the world, so I think that they have to say something good. I mean, it's like, geez, we're part of that consortium, and that's gonna, be able to basically say what's standard and what's not. So that's good. I think there's only 3 of us. I'm not sure who the other 2 companies are. If anybody knows, drop in the chat. I'm pretty sure it's probably Luminar and Velodyne, but I don't really know. I could be wrong. I just know that we're in it. That's all I know. So we'll see what they say. We will see what they say. I'm definitely going to stream it if it's possible. So definitely check back on this channel if you want to, hang out with us while we listen to that, if it's available to listen to. But I'm super stoked right now, guys. I mean, this is 7 months. You guys don't understand how strong this actually is. Well, maybe some of you do. But if you don't do price action, you don't understand I mean, look at this. 7 months of this shit. We're finally breaking out of the top side. It could just run. There's so much room up here to run. There just really is. And I'm just kind of stoked about it. Let's do it. Let's pull a fib here. Let's pull a fib on the daily from this move. And, well, I don't need to do it. There it is right there. All right, so check this out. So if I pull my fib, all right, if I pull my fib from, let's remove this one. Let's just say I pull it from here. All right, I pull a fib from here to here. And I'm using these levels because, like I said, we had some weird stuff going on here. So anyways, we're going to use this. A golden zone retracement, which would be a 50% retracement, would put us back at 1050, basically. 1050. All right, now look. This is a reversal zone by nature. That's why I say there could be some variance in where the market makers take this, but some people would say, oh, I need 1050 to close for the reversal confirmation. I understand that. But the golden zone, all right, is right here on this move, okay? So like I said, that's going to put us at a bare minimum, I feel like, on this breakout. If we get above, you know, these SMAs, we're definitely coming up to this golden zone. And like I said, if you know my rules on my fib, I need to close above 23.6. So if we know that and we use that as the rule, we need price to get above 765. So, and this is not a coincidence, y'all. This is not a coincidence, okay? Look, for this golden zone to be activated, all right, we need price to close above the 23.6 line. That activates this golden zone. That is not a coincidence that that puts us right above this 200 SMA. So if price gets above these two SMAs, that basically puts it right at that 23.6 line. If we get above 23.6, I'm telling you, we're coming to the golden zone. I promise you. Like, it's like, I give it like a 95% chance to happen. If we get above this 23.6, we're coming up at least to test the 975 at a bare minimum. I mean, and the golden zone is just active at that point, so it wouldn't make sense that we wouldn't at least test it. So I think we have some green weeks ahead. I really do. I really do. I don't see why this would just come back down. Now, we could test these SMAs and just, for some stupid reason, find resistance, but it doesn't look like that's what's going to happen. It looks like it's ready to go. We've broken out, and it just looks really good. Priest says, how are the cats doing? They're doing good, man. I appreciate you asking. Thank you. They're doing well. They're all eating and shitting. That's all they freaking do, man. It's crazy. Oh, the funny thing is, I'm not even joking. Like, that's all they do. It's insane. I don't know how Ori talked me into getting 4 cats. I don't know how my life ended up this way. Sometimes I wake up and just look at these animals and just like a huge sigh. They are so crazy. Nakima says, did you average down? I did, my friend. I did at the breakout. I put 5,000 in. It's on the Discord, all right? On the Discord. I bought 875 shares, all right? That was a good buy. I'm not sad about it. If we come back down, it is what it is. But yes, I dropped my average substantially here with that buy. So yeah, looking good, man. It looks promising. Dax Dog Ranch, let's get it. The OG in the house. What's up, man? Let's keep this chat flowing. What you guys got? Let's get some rockets in the chat for Mvis. We just broke out of a 7-month downtrend. I'm gonna need some more rockets for that. I'm gonna put some myself. All right. Let's get some rockets up in the chat. It strokes my ego. If you want to stroke my ego, let's get it. Rockets up in that chat. I'm gonna do some flame actually, and some moons. Let's get it. Oh yes. Flames and moons. Flames and moons. Let's go. Bam. If you want these emojis, these custom emojis, you gotta hit join under my channel, all right? You gotta join the YouTube team. That's how you get them. We're gonna do a poll. Let me create a poll here because I don't think I've ever done that. The poll is gonna be, will Microvision moon? And the answers you can choose are yes or yes. Oh, that's so funny. All right, make sure you guys answer that poll. That is funny. Let's get it. You don't have an option, god damn it. You don't have an option. So all you haters out there that are gonna put no, you don't have that option. It's going to moon. Let's get it. Oh, that's funny. You can't choose no, haha. That's funny. Got him. Yes. Oh, yes. You already know. Oh, shit. All right. 566 on the ticker. For Mvis right now, as it stands, we're up 13.27%. That is a great freaking day. All right, that is a good day. That is a real good day. Let's go. Oh, hold on. Let me vote. I got to vote too. Hey, 23% of y'all said yes on the bottom. Nice. I like it. Let's go. Oh, shit. I miss doing this. I really do. I got to do this more. This is fun. I miss doing this. All right. Where are we at? 560. What is it? 566 on the ticker. All right. We need to really, I mean, realistically, a close on the daily is going to be great. I just want the daily to get above $6. That's like a first step. That's a baby step. If the daily gets above $6, that puts us above that 50. Oh God, that's gonna be so nice. That's gonna be so good. Oh my God. Thank y'all for being here. I really appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. Make sure you like the stream if you guys are having fun or whatever. Yeah. Make sure you hit that like button. I give S Hall credit, man. I like S Hall. He's been kind of bearish on days that where everyone was sad, but you know what? I mean, you were kind of right. You said $5. It came to $5. What can I say? Good shit. I'm glad you believe in the stock long term though. That makes me feel good about you. So let's go S Hall. I like that dude. I like that dude. If you are in this chat right now and you did not vote yes, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be freaking ashamed of yourself if you didn't hit that yes button on that poll. I better see 43 yeses in that shit. All right, 566 on the ticker. Let's drop down to a 30 and see what's going on. All right, like I said, found some resistance here. We're about to get that golden cross though. We're about to get that golden cross on the 30-minute time frame. Let's go. Come on. Come on, baby. Tim, I see you with the Rockets, man. Let's get it. Oh, man. All right, we found some slight resistance here. It's to be expected. We had a huge rip, guys, so check it out. If we did get a 50% retracement on this move, that would take us back down to about 540. I don't know. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think this move is over. But if we did, that would put us back down at these SMAs, which wouldn't really be the end of the world. But I definitely don't want to see us get back in that zone. That would not be the best, but it is what it is, you know? What can we do? What can we do? I averaged down. I'm happy with my average at this point. I'm just happy with it. I'm happy to be under $8. That feels real good. I didn't think I'd ever get that chance. So to get that chance on a stock that I know is going to be over $50 in the next 2 years, I'm like, how can I not be happy about that? I'm super happy about that. All right, let's go. We got 21 people. You guys are real ones. Let's get it. I wish I could close that actually. Oh, there we go. Hey, Alt Sugar, thank you for the super chat. I can't see it because that thing is up. But hey, $5. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much. Much love to you. Thank you for supporting me, man. I appreciate that. I really do. Thank you. He voted yes. Let's get it. Yes, Lord, says facts. Oh, yes. Straight facts over here. Nothing but. Nothing but. All right, back up a little bit, 569 on the ticker, guys. We had the breakout. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it actually happened. Because, I mean, like I said, we could have easily just came up to the trend line and just reversed, but it didn't look like it. These zones, I told you guys, I mean, I've been saying this for weeks and weeks and weeks. These two zones right here are strong as shit. They are so strong, and it's like, I know that by looking to the left, that how strong they actually are. All right, I mean, they're just so strong. Look to the left over here. I mean, this is where that original jump happened. So to be over here again, all right, I know that there's just high potential for this to reverse out of this area. So I mean, you know, shout out to everybody who likes what I do, man. I really do put a lot into this. I could just be sitting here being silent, but I really want everybody to win. So I try to give you guys these zones, and hopefully you capitalize off of them, because you know I'm not just blowing smoke. Like, these are legit zones. All right, where we at? 568 on the ticker. Let's go. We need this to move. Let's go. Come on. I know we already ran 15%, but I'm greedy. I'm greedy. I need us to go 30%. Let's run over $6 today. Like I said, a close above $6 today would be a win, guys. I mean, even if we close right here, it would be a win. But a close above $6 today would be a serious win for us. It really would. I would be insanely happy about that. I mean, I really would. I'd be very happy about that. $6 close. Yeah, you really can't ask for more than that on a good day for this stock. But I think the potential here for us to run, I mean, look at this. On the daily time frame, I'm surprised this computer has not crashed yet. On a daily time frame, guys, all right, there's just so much room to run. I know that there's money up here. All the money's up here, I'm telling you right now. All the money's up here. All the little retail traders that thought, oh, it would be a good idea to short. Hey, yeah, if you don't close your position, you better close that shit. That's all I know. If you're listening right now and you've shorted this thing, you better close your shit right now, because they're coming to get you. I promise you. All the money is up here. They're coming to get you. You better close it. You better take profits and not get any more greed. Don't get any more greedy, because they're coming for it. All this money up here, I would take it up here too. And I would do exactly what they did. I try to think like the banks. Like, where would I take the price if I want to get rich and make more money? I would have tacked all the buyers here that thought this thing was going up. Because look, we created like this trend line here, right? This little thing right here, and all the people that, you know, were buying along here got wrecked. That sold. And now they have all these shorts up here that have been shorting this thing. They're gonna attack that. They did not forget where that is, I promise. Wiley, what's up, my brother? Thank you for being a YouTube supporter, my friend. You guys see that green name? That's because Wiley supports on YouTube. Thank you, man. I appreciate you very much, brother. If you guys want to have a green name and some cool custom shit, hit the join button, man. Support my work. I put a lot into this, so I appreciate all of you that support me. You know, even with the $3 tier a month, I really appreciate y'all. Seriously. Let's see. S Hall says, I do my best to help folks not lose, and sometimes it's info that people don't want to hear. But most traders didn't trade in the .com or 2008 or the Rona crash. I feel you, man. I feel you. I respect you, and I feel you. I'm the same way. If I think something bad's going to happen, I'll still tell them. It is what it is, you know? And I believe with all my heart that it's manipulated and the Federal Reserve is criminal to make us all lose our money. So I help others not to. That's why I do this. I mean, we're on the same page. I don't get on here for my health, guys. I mean, I could be doing 100 other things. I could be out making money 100 other ways. You know what I mean? And I do. But I literally created this YouTube and this Discord group and just this whole thing in general just to help retail traders, because this thing is so manipulated. All right, guys, the market is insanely manipulated. It's worse than the casino. All right, at least the casino tells you, hey, we're screwing you over and we have the edge. The market makers don't tell you anything. They just use secret tools and all this shit that, like, it puts you at such a disadvantage. So I do this to help everybody just find where the market makers are moving the market, because that's how you can not get screwed over, right? If you know where they're moving the market, you can capitalize on their bullshit. If you don't know how they move the market and you don't know where they move the market, you can't really capitalize on their bullshit. So capitalize, the moral of the day, capitalize on their bullshit. And that's how you do it. Ali as of one says, let's break the 52-week high in 2022. Let's get it, man. I think it's going to happen. I think it's going to happen. I think we could definitely do that. I really do. All right, let's see. On Fintel right now, we have 1.2 million available. And let's check our where we at, institutional owners. I went over this in my recorded video. We're not going to go too deep in here, but institutions are still buying, guys. All right, Moon ETF just got back in. That's huge. That's a really big ETF. 158,343 shares. All right, so they just got back in at higher prices than it is now. So all these institutions are still buying. They are still buying. Sorry about that. So like I said, if they're still buying, I'm still bullish. When the institutions stop buying and they close their positions, that's when I will become bearish on this. All right. Until that happens, I'm bullish. I'm excited that I just bought 875 shares today. That is awesome. I am excited about that. I'm excited about that, y'all. I really am. If you have not clicked yes on that poll that I put up, you eat yellow snow and you wear a helmet while you take a shower. Hit yes on that. Hit yes on that poll. Oh shit. All right, 565 on the ticker. Yeah, 565. I hope this isn't a fake out. I was hoping we were gonna run more than this on the actual breakout. We haven't ran too far yet. But I think it's just a matter of time. I think it's before we just either just rip, because on the 4 hour we just broke that 50, guys, on the 4 hour too. So I mean, it looks like it's gonna go up. We just broke the 50 SMA on the 4 hour, and we broke the trend line. I really think we're about to you're about to see this thing either just fall back into the zone, or it's actually gonna just rip. I truly believe that. I think it's gonna happen, one way or the other. One way or the other. All right, let's drop down to a 15 so we can see the action. All right, we just got the golden cross on the 15. Let's go. Let's get some rockets in the chat for that. First golden cross that matters. All right, all the lower ones don't really matter too much, but we just got our first golden cross on the 15-minute time frame. That is huge. Let's get some rockets in the chat. That's confirmation number one for this actual breakout. Let's go. Now we need it on the 30. All right, the 30 is coming up. We got the 15. Now we need the fractal 30 to cross, right? So we could have the pullback here. It could do this. It could pull back, test, get the cross, and then go. All right, so I would not hate that. If we find support where resistance once was, that is BAFF, all right? Like I said, the pullbacks always are good. Obviously, I don't want it to pull back because I got in at the trend line, but a pullback to this trend line and finding support here where resistance has been for 7 months, that's going to be bullish, okay? That's going to be real bullish for the short term. And like I said, that's kind of what I'm hoping for. You got to keep in mind here, okay? Retail traders can affect the market a little bit. A lot of people probably are taking profits here at this breakout. You know, the day traders, they made their you know, 10, 15% or whatever. They're taking profits. It could come back down for the retest here, and that would not be the end of the world because like I said, if we find support where resistance once was, that is awesome. And that's what a retest is basically. So yeah, let's get it. Valor said, why is Mvis moving? I'm down 19K and holding. Hold on strong, brother. We got you. We're coming for you. I don't know what your average is, but yeah, definitely don't give the market makers your $19,000. Please don't do that. That would be a big mistake. So hold strong, man. We got you. We're coming for it. I don't know why Mvis is moving. The market makers woke up and just decided, hey, today we're going to go, I guess. I don't know. I mean, this isn't retail traders, I'll tell you that much. Not moving it at 15%. That is not retail traders. I wish I could get rid of this poll on my end, but it's not. It won't let me delete it. I'm having trouble seeing the chat. I got to open this up over here. There we go. The cross is the boss. Oh, yeah, it is, man. It really is. All right. 565 on the ticker. I might go make some more coffee here. Potentially. I'm feeling pretty caffeinated. I don't know if I need it. How many people are up in here right now? What do we got? What is it, 50? 43 people. Let's go. All right, so yeah, we got the cross on the 15, and we're just waiting now. It's a waiting game. It is a waiting game, that's for sure. It's looking like it's gonna retest here. It really is. It looked like it's gonna retest. I think we're gonna retest. I think we're gonna come back down to the trend line under what is this? 557. It's possible. It looks like it wants to. It looks like we kind of slowed up here a little bit and we're consolidated for a few minutes. It might pull back here, but like I said, guys, when we start finding support at resistance levels, large resistance levels for like 7 months, that is very strong. And I kind of hope that happens because I will be, you know, that's another way you can figure out if you're having a fake out or not, right? Like if we break out and we come back in the zone like that, okay, we got faked out. But if we come back to the zone and then find support, that's how you know that this was not a fake out. All right? I mean, I don't know. Thumbs up in the chat if that makes sense to you. If that makes sense to you, give me a thumbs up in the chat, right? If we come back in, we got faked out. And even then, we possibly didn't really get faked out. But if we find resistance here, that's a very strong confirmation that this is not a fake out and the breakout is going to continue. All right. I hope so at least. At everyone in the Discord, I am gonna drop that that image again of my $5,000 purchase. All right, let's get it. All right, let's get it. Desktop. There it is. All right, let's go. $565 on the ticker. On the 1 hour, it's looking like we're going to pull back to that 200, all right? And that's not bad because that 200 is right at the trend line. So I think if you guys want my honest opinion, I think we're going to pull back to the trend line and then continue our up move. I think we do this. I think we come back to the trend line and then do that. That's what I think. I think that's what's going to happen here. It seems inevitable. We had a big move already, guys. We had a 15% breakout, or I'm sorry, a 50% move from down here at, where we found, these institution candles. About $5. So $5, we had a really big move. So I think, we come back for a shallow retracement, not a 50% retracement. I think we come back for a shallow retracement, guys, a 23.6% retracement. So if we come back down to that 23.6, which would technically be a shallow retracement, that puts us right around that 200 or right around that trend line. I think that's what's going to happen. And that is basically what we want to happen. We want this thing to pull back to resistance and find support. Like I said 20 times, that's what we want. So shallow retracement, and it's not a coincidence, guys, that look at this. Look how this adds up. If you're watching your screen right now, look how this adds up. You see this demand zone? How do you think it's coincidence that 23.6 line is literally right on the line of this demand zone that I've drawn in? That's not a coincidence. All right, that's market geometry. So, like I said, shallow retracement of 23.6% would be great. We find support here and we move to the upside off that. That would be perfect. That would be cookie cutter. That would be really, really cookie cutter. We hit some demand. That's why it's moving. That and yeah, exactly. Institutional demand. Yes, we did. This whole zone is institutional demand, guys. All right, because we look to the left. I want to show you guys. I'll show you this again. I didn't draw these zones in for no reason. These are this golden zone right here. Right, check this out. I'm gonna show you how I did this. If you care about price action, this is the original move right here. All right, so this golden zone I found like this. It's not a coincidence that these two demand zones are in this golden zone. All right, so I know that this is a load the boat zone. Basically, essentially, this whole entire area is a load the boat zone, and I thought that for that reason that I'm looking to the left here, this could be a zone where we really have the breakout from, and it's not coincidence that it did happen. I didn't just like say something and it just randomly happened. No, this is how it works. Okay, this zone had high probability to have the breakout out of, and it did break out. Now whether it runs and continues or whatever, I don't know. I can't do that, but I can't predict that stuff. But we need this to hold. We need to hold above that trend line. That is like the key. We've had some small resistance here, and like I said, if we drop back down to like a 30-minute, you'll see what's happened. We're retesting that trend line now. Like I said, was going to happen. This is the pivotal moment in this breakout, guys. All right, this is a pivotal moment here. We need that shallow retracement. We need to find support at that 23.6 line. That's what we need, and maybe a little bit lower. I wouldn't mind if we came down to the actual trend line. Whatever, anywhere around 38.2 and 23.6, anywhere in this zone really would be considered a shallow retracement. Okay, so anything in this zone right here would be considered shallow retracement, and I'm okay with that. As long as we find support and hold above the trend line, that's all that matters. All right, and that's exactly what's happening right now. We're retracing back to this zone. We got to find support here somewhere in this top zone here. All right, that's what we need. That is what we need. Steroid Bra says $15 to $18 would be nice. Yes, it would. Physical Formulations, thank you for the comment. It says stock overshot to 31 bucks for sure, especially for a company with no revenue, but understanding all the way to 5 from ATH is unreasonable. Fair market value, in my opinion, is $15 to $18. That sounds fair to me. I feel like 15 to 18 is fair. I do. Considering what's going on, I feel like anywhere, my kind of like, you know, I feel like the stock is between $12 and $18. That's kind of like how I feel about it right now. $12 and $18 seems very reasonable, and I think it should be trading around that. I think right now this is just insane that it's down here, but I'm with you. I think my number is kind of $12 to $18, so we're on the same on the top side. I think but it is basically the same thing. But I agree with you. I agree with you. The ATH it does seem a little bit unreasonable right now for us to be at $30, but they had to do that. If you look at the chart, the only reason it went to $30, I'll show you this. The reason that it went to $30, and you know, you can debate this if you want, but in my opinion, the reason that it did this was because of all the shorts that were shorting up here. They know how many people were shorting up in this area. Okay, there's a lot of shorts, and I actually made a whole video on this. On the liquidity that was up here. There's a lot of money up here, so they had to jump this thing so fast, and they did it with them off the Microsoft news. All right, they did it off the Microsoft news to make it seem like, oh, the Microsoft news is why this happened. No, the market makers said, hey, we know there's a shitload of money up here, and they know how many people were shorting this thing, and so they ripped it up here right to the top of this liquidity line, and they grabbed all this liquidity. They did a liquidity grab up here and came back down. So they did this. They manipulated this thing and took all the money out that was up here. That's what they did, in my opinion. All right, you could debate it. That's what I think happened. And so I agree with you. I think $28 is a bit far stretched right now for what's going on with the company. But I think between $12 and $18 is fair. I really, truly believe that. So, you know, I think we're going to be back up there in not that long. But it's very obvious when you start understanding liquidity and how it works and where it's at. It's obvious how that this like they just did a liquidity grab here, because I mean they just did. You can just see it. Because if I was shorting from here, I would put my stop loss at structure, right? So I would have put my stop loss like right somewhere like right here probably. Basically right here at $28. I mean $27.50. My stop loss would have been at $27.50 if I was shorting from that ATH at 24. So they just came up and grabbed above this liquidity line. That's what they did. It's obvious. They did a very, very violent liquidity grab. That's what they did. So anybody that was shorting here, that you know, they start seeing, and that's, you got to think about it like that. You got to think like the market makers. They know that retail traders are seeing this crap. They're seeing lower highs. Okay, they're seeing lower highs, consolidation, and then a lower high. All right, and lower lows also, by the way, lower lows too. So they think, oh, I'm going to short this thing where it's reversing, and then boom, liquidity grab, take all this money. It's just obvious, and that's how they do it. I don't care what anybody says. That's how they do it. They play off retail traders. Retail traders are programmed a certain way. They see lower highs, lower lows. They're thinking market reversal. They're in for the shorts. They're in for their puts. And then boom, they get screwed on liquidity grab. That's just what happened there. I'm convinced. That's what happened. So that's that. It looks very obvious to me. They just got wrecked. That's really all that happened. They just got wrecked. But yeah. Thumbs up in the chat if you agree with me on that. If you do, then you know what you're doing. All right, because like I said, that's how they make their money. All right, that's the they just play against the retail trader. It's so obvious. And so now, like knowing that, that's why you have to apply this to where we're at now. Like knowing that they did that here, they just did a very quick liquidity grab. They took all these people out that were shorting up here. Now they've been targeting the buyers down here, and there's not many more of them down here. I don't really see them targeting the buyers down here. I mean, I guess they could technically, because there is some liquidity down here, right? People were buying down here, and the ones that did buy under $1, they probably, you know, but they would have to short this thing down to hell to take out the liquidity under $1. I don't think they're going to do that. It doesn't make any sense. All the money's still on the top side, all right? So all the people that were shorting here and got wrecked, they're thinking, oh man, I'm making all this money now, and now the money's way up here. They're going to come get it. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. They did not forget about it. It's there, it's waiting. They're coming to get it. Physical formulations. Yeah, you know what? Like I said, I feel like the market makers, you got to understand this. They're not stupid, guys. They are smart as shit. All right, they are. They're genius level. So they're on Reddit. They're on Weeble. They read the comments. They know what people are doing. They probably watch this stream and every other Mvis stream. And every other stock they do this to. They know what people are doing. They buy stop loss data. They buy take profit data. They know everything they could know. This game is rigged as, I hate to say it, it's rigged as fuck. It really is. It's so unfair. But that's why you got to trade with them. All right, that's why you got to find these institutional demand zones. That's how you don't get screwed over by them. All right, and their supply zones too. But you know, as far as a Reddit pump, how could you hide your manipulation? How could you hide your manipulation and not get in trouble for it? Like, think about that. If I wanted to do something like this, if I wanted to, and we don't have to dive too deep into this, but if I wanted to do something like this, right? If I wanted to grab all this liquidity up here without anybody knowing, I would do it off something like, oh, well, hey, let's pump it on Reddit. Let's get everybody talking about it. So when this happens, they're just going to think that this was a Reddit pump and dump. That's just how my mind works, right? I could be wrong, but you know, hey, they're just going to think this was the Reddit pump and dump. They're going to think that this was the Reddit pump and dump and the Microsoft news. Let's do it. Like I see them sitting in a little group, like like weasels, like, hey, we're gonna do it off this, and they're gonna think that it was the pump and dump, but really it was us. Like that's how I picture them doing this. But yeah, that's kind of how I think about it. That's how I think about it. Like they do it in between these things. Like they know that it was viral on Reddit. They know that people were talking about it, and there was a lot of buyers here, so they could easily just be like, yo, we're gonna do it right here. And it's going to look like it was a Reddit pump and dump. And nobody's going to know that we did this. But, I mean, I could be wrong, but that's, like I said, that's how it looks like to me. Yes, weasels definitely run the world. Trevor says, correct me if I'm wrong. So if price breaks down to that 23.6 fib, then chances are it'll come back down to test your demand zone in the golden zone. Let me see. Let me see. If you're talking about on the 1 hour time frame, Trevor, if it breaks the 23.6 line and breaks that 200 SMA, it's probably coming down to test the 50% line again. Yes, at around 540, back at the bottom of that zone. Yes, it probably is. It probably is. And, you know, Trevor, if you're looking at this, I appreciate you asking questions, man. If you look at this, right? If we draw our golden zone on this move right here, all right, and price breaks through that 23.6, the golden zone is activated, all right? Once it happens on both sides, right? Like I talk about this. If it breaks that 23.6 line, then the golden zone is activated, all right? So it could come back down and test that. Now this golden zone is pretty close to that 50 SMA. So as price comes down, it could definitely, if it breaks this 200 right here, and this 23.6 line, it could definitely come down and test that golden zone. But like I said, we need this shallow retracement to hold right here. So it's already done it. You can see here that it's already done that. It's already come back down, and it's basically tested that 23.6 line. Basically, that's pretty freaking close. All right, that's pretty close to that 20. So we need to find support here, basically. All right, and that's, you know, this is going to be the retest. This is the retest. So we need to find support here. If we break and close below, now keep in mind too, it's not just if it breaks the 23.6, it has to close below the 23.6. So it could do this, it could break below the 23.6 and the 200 and come right back up. If it doesn't close below that 23.6 line, then that golden zone is not activated. It must close below the 23.6 line. It must close below it. All right, so a 1 hour candle would have to close below that 23.6 for the golden zone to be activated. And even then, that doesn't guarantee that it's going to happen. That just basically opens up the possibility of a golden zone retracement. I hope that made sense, man. I hope that made sense. But yes, you have the right idea. We're gonna see if we find support here. I hope we do. I hope we do. All right, we've come down and tested that. All right, we're on the 23.6 line now. This is where it matters. This is where it matters, guys. We got to find support here. We got to find support here. This is where it matters. We did exactly what I said, by the way. I want to pat myself on the back, but maybe a little bit. We did exactly what I said. We're going to come back down for the retest and either break back in the zone and test an area up in here, or we're going to find support and continue our move to the upside. So let's go. We have to wait and see what happens. Oh, man. How about this? How about we get some rockets in the chat for the retest? Can we get some rockets and some diamonds and some bangs and whatever hell emoji you want to put in the chat for this retest? Let's find some support. I'm giving some claps. Let's find some support here. We need support, and we need to keep holding strong above this trend line. That's what we need. I'm gonna say this again because we got a few people here and I would appreciate it. If you guys want to support my work and what I do here, there's a little button that says join under this video. That puts you on the YouTube team, all right? There's 3 levels of support you can choose from. Wiley has a green name and a cool emoji thing. You guys can choose from that stuff. It's nothing crazy, right? But it is a way for you to support your content creators that you like. All right, I create content. I like stocks and I do a lot of Mvis stuff. So if you guys find value in any of this, by the way, I'm dropping all this for free. I don't have like a premium service like some people. I just drop all this shit for free. And so if you learn anything here, you find value at all, think about supporting a little bit. It's $3 a month for the small one. So, and I would really appreciate it. I really would. Trying to grow the channel and, having green names in my chat makes me look like I'm doing something cool. So if you guys want to help me out, $3 a month, I don't know. Think about it. SL says we're trading against AI in a little black box. That's funny. Physical formulation says, haha, yeah, for sure. I agree with you 100%. Market makers have no reason to continue being bearish. Time to go bullish and make their money on the other way around. I agree. I think it's that time. I truly think it's that time. All right, we're still retesting here. 556 on the ticker right now as it stands for the day. We are up. What are we up? I gotta pull this up. We are up 10.98%. At the peak, we were up 14%. So we're having the pullback now. We're having the retest, and we need to find support here. That's just what needs to happen. By the way, guys, CTXR is up 5%. Let's go. LKCO's up 4%. Oh man, let's get it. I hope both those just seem like 2022 is going to be awesome for those stocks. I'm currently holding the bag on those two, by the way. If you guys didn't know, I'm holding the bag on LKCO and CTXR. Not ever selling for a loss either. It is what it is. Take my freaking money. I'm never selling. CYBL is up 10%. Let's go. Fern is up 1.13%. And obviously, since I just bought Ethereum last night, we are down 2% on that trade. Sounds about right for Ethereum right now. If Ethereum drops down to 3,500, I will buy another coin. I just will. If it drops to 3,500, I'm in for another one. So yeah. I gotta take my antibiotic. Guys, I had an ear infection. I'm still taking antibiotics for it. Give me 1 second. I gotta grab that. Uno momento, por favor. Hold down the fort. Don't you dare leave. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I am back. How many people left? We still got some people in here. What's up? Yeah, I know. I try to keep my headphones off my ear. Off my right ear, at least. I've been dizzy as shit, too. It just made me super dizzy lately. All right, let's see. When Mvis reverses his daily downtrend, let's all hit that join button and show our support for this free knowledge. I appreciate you, man. That'd be cool. I appreciate that. Wiley says, I've learned a lot. Thanks, man. No worries, brother. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it. Or you could just do it now. All right, we got the retest, guys. We're at the trend line here. All right, well, we're at the trend line. We are literally right here at the trend line. We will see what happens. All right, we're at the trend line. Let's see what happens here. Let me see something real quick. All right. All right, we need to find support. We need to find support here. We really do. We need to find some support. We have broken that 23.6 and we are back in the demand zone, but this is where it matters. We got to find support here, okay? I don't want to see this close below that trend line on a 1 hour. That would be bad. Well, I don't want to say bad, but it wouldn't be the best. We're going to wait. We're going to find out. We're going to find out what happens here. Even if it does, guys, check this out. Even if it does come back down into the zone and into the... It doesn't mean... It's not the end of the world. It's not saying that we're not going to keep moving up. Like, there has to be pullbacks. The breakout did not go as far as I thought it was going to go on the 1 hour. I thought we were going to come up to structure at least right here around $6 on the breakout. We didn't do that yet, so we'll see. We have to wait and see what happens. We're going to keep an eye on this for the next couple minutes, see what happens. Hopefully we find some support here and move back above that 23.6. I'm hoping that's what happens. Rujas, what's up, man? I don't know how to say your name. Joao Rujas, thank you for the comment. I'm super bullish about this meeting Wednesday, Trevor says. Yeah, me too. I hope they drop some news. I hope we get some news, man. I really do. I hope we get some awesome news. Be a good time to do it. It would be a great... Oh, nice. Okay, the next candle, guys, open green. That's good. So we opened green right at this trend line. I hope that... and we opened... Not only that, we opened above the close. So that's actually good. Check this out. The close of this red candle, we opened on the next candle above the close. So that's actually good. You know, that's, you know... Nothing crazy, but it is good that we open outside the trend line. We open outside the trend line, so that's good on this next candle. That is, can't ask for better than that. Don't you dare do it, Mvis. All right, there we go. Oh, nice, thank God. Green candle forming here, nice. Wicking right off that line. You guys see that? Wicking right off this line. This is not coincidence. I hope it goes up. But it looks promising. We came down for the retest. This candle came literally identically right here where this candle opened. You guys see this? Can't make this shit up. And nice retest here. I hope it goes. I hope this is where it goes. Looks promising right now. It looks promising that we found support where resistance once was. That is exactly what we wanted to see happen. All right, that is what we wanted to see. Real talk. Let's see what happens. Where are you guys at in the world? What are you guys doing? Let's keep this chat flowing. Where are you guys at right now? Where are you in the world and what are you doing? What in God's name are you doing and where are you at? Oh, I gotta stretch. Oh man, that was a good stretch. That felt good. This could be a bull trap. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it could, but we'll have to wait and see. I wouldn't put it past them, but like I said, knowing that all the liquidity is on the top side now, it's hard to really say that they're gonna do that right now. Dax in Germany for vacation, nice. Trevor is in Omaha, Nebraska, writing some code for software. Cool. That sounds fun. Canada. I've been seeing Canada a lot lately. Canada, cool. I need to go to Canada. I've never been to Canada. I would like to go visit. Yeah, I hope we get some news, man. I really do. That would be the best time for them to do it. Imagine. Oh, man. I can't wait for the day that Summit gets on and says, hey, we have partnered with blah, blah, blah. That would be awesome. Portugal. Oh, that's cool, man. You're in Portugal. That's what's up. Negative 38. Oh, my God. That makes my nipples hard just thinking about that. Thinking about negative 38 makes them shrivel up. Oh, God. Oh, that just sounds like... Oh, man. Orlando, Florida. Wait, what did you say? Orlando, Florida. Oh, man, that's funny. Imagine this thing just ripping here, like just cookie cutter. Came back for the retest and just bounces. Oh my God, there we go. Let's go. As right as I said it. Let's get it. Let's freaking go, man. Oh, this is like, it feels good to be right. So far, I'm right. I don't want to count my eggs too early, but it looks, I mean, we got the breakout, we got the retest, we found support where resistance once was, right in my line. Guys, do you think this is coincidence? I want to know. Like, do y'all think that this is actually coincidence that we came literally right to this trend line and found support like this? This is not coincidence. This is like, it's really not. And we're back above the demand zone, by the way. Let's get it. 557 on the ticker. We just have to get above this. Now, for us to really know that this is actually moving, we got to get above the close of this candle. So we got to get above 568. We got to get above 568. That is what we need. We need a close above 568. All right, that's what we need. Central Missouri. Oh, nice. Oh, y'all get a lot of tornadoes out there, don't you? Oh, man. That's like Tornado Alley. Tim says, hey, James, long time no see. Did you add at these levels? I was waiting for Mvis to dip low 5, and my last buying was low 7. Yeah, I did add on. I had 5,000 on the stream today. Right at the break of the trend line here. So, yeah, I did. I bought 875 more shares right here at the break of the trend line. I had a hard time drawing in the same trend lines for the falling wedge, then realized I added on log. Any more validity to using the regular or log charts for TA? I'm not sure what you mean log charts. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? I'm not sure. Try to expand a little bit so I know what you're talking about when you say log charts. I appreciate that, Tim. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Guys, if you haven't done this already, please make sure you hit that like button, all right? At a bare minimum, I need y'all to do that. Go over to the right under this video and click that like button, all right? Click that thumbs up button. Like button, all right? Click that thumbs up button. like button, all right? Click that thumbs up. Sorry, I didn't mean to play that back for you guys. My bad. I needed to see if it was sounding all right. 557 on the ticker, came back down for a shallow retracement, and now we are making our way back up above, looks like, this little area right here. We got to get above. All right, so like, check this out, Trevor. I know you're asking, Trevor. So check it out. We came back down. We tested the trend line here. We tested this 23.6, and now we're back above that 23.6. So on the 1 hour, right, on the 30-minute, we got to close. But on the 1 hour, where we found the move from, we're back above that 23.6, and that looks good. It looks real good, actually, right now. So we need it to hold, and we just need to get above this level, right? We need to get above 568. We got to get above that. And basically, when you look at this, we just came down and tested that 200. You see this? Price broke the 200, came back down for the retest of the 200, and now we are trying to find our way back up. That's exactly what happened here. So once we get that golden cross in the 1 hour, that is going to be really, really nice. I think it's going to elevate us to the next level of structure over $6. Probably further than that. Probably much further than that once that actually happens. Smeesh the like bootin'. Smeesh the like bootin'. Wrestler Shoe, what's up? If you guys want me to do more streams like this during the day, give me a thumbs up in the chat. If you guys want me to get on more often, I will do it. If you want me to get on more often and cover this stuff, thumbs up in the chat. Oh, the logarithmic scale. This. I have that off, bro. I don't turn that on. I turn that off for sure. I don't have that on, just so you know. I don't, just turn it off. I mean, I don't use it. I see y'all. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'll try to get on more often. I will try to get on more often. You know, Mvis is kind of a slow stock, so unless it's doing something fun, it's kind of a boring stock to cover, to be honest with you, but yeah. How many of you are in Ethereum? Does anybody have Ethereum? I'm highly considering buying a couple more. If it drops to 3,500, I might buy 2 more. I really might. I really might do it. Excuse me. SHIB. Oh yeah, let's look at the SHIB chart real quick. By the way. Oh, consolidate. Okay, some nice consolidation. Market is consolidating, creating orders. What do you guys think this does? This creates orders. This is an accumulation of orders on the top and bottom side. So what this is doing, this is creating liquidity on the bottom and the top side. All right, so that is what it's doing. And when you look at this, the first thing I see, the way my mind works, I pull a fib from here to here. I already know without a doubt, because I can just see it, that this is a golden zone retracement. All right, so price came down to this golden zone on SHIB, by the way, and it's just chilling in this golden zone. That's a good thing. This is a reversal zone by nature. All right, the golden zone is a reversal zone. So price has come down to the golden zone. It's consolidating, and now we need this thing to like rip to the upside. So that's yeah, that's what we need to have happen. But yeah, SHIB is in the golden zone now, and I expect this to go up. I don't see this going below the golden zone, guys. I think the bottom is here at about wherever this double bottom thing was. I think this is the bottom. I think we're gonna go up from here. If you're in SHIB, let me know in the chat. But I think we're gonna go up from here, from this golden zone. I really do. Some nice consolidation here in the market, right in this golden zone. It just looks super bullish. It looks bullish. Lots of Ethereum, 5.5 ETH at least. Nice. That's going to be a good one in the future, man. All right, back down. Let's see where we're at. All right. basically we need price to hold above this 200. That's like basically that's what we need. We need price to hold above the 200. All right, I'm back. I had to grab something real quick. I gotta squirt this shit in my nose. Hold on. They gave me some nasal steroid. Give me a second while I squirt some juice up my nostrils. Uno momento. I would say yes, Zechariah Worthington, but I'm not a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. Let me just say I'm not a financial advisor. I would say yes, though. I did it. So it's up to you. I'm not saying yes or no, but I did buy here. I'll tell you that much. I did buy here. This chart is the 1 hour time frame. All right, let's see. There we go. All right, we need to find some support. We got to stay above that 200, this pink line. We got to stay above that. That's like the key here. Basically, we got to get above this. All right, we got to get above this little zone right here. If we can get a close above 570, what is this? 572. That is going to be awesome, and I think that we're going to keep going up. I think we keep going up. If we get a close above 572, I think we keep going up. I really do. Power Hour is going to be interesting today. I think I will definitely stream it. Power Hour will be interesting for sure today. Excuse me. Yeah, no worries. All right, I've been in since $625. Oh, nice on F. Yeah, nice. I know, Trevor. I know, man. That's what I'm trying to tell people. Like, you don't need all this crazy shit. You just got to have a basic understanding. But yeah, it did. It fell to that 23.6 and bounced literally perfectly on the 1 hour. Yes, it did. And that's that shallow retracement I was talking about. Just literally perfect right there. Just looks real good. Real good. It looks real good. Oh, man. Let's go, Mvis. Let's go, Mvis. Oh, there we go. Let's go. 558. I love seeing those little jumps. That looks good to me. That looks real good. Cookie cutter here, guys. Breakout retest, and now and the breakout didn't even go that far. That's how I like to see it like that, because I know that if the breakout were to have come up here and then retest, I don't know. That's like a... Because check this out, right? If the breakout took it up here, this is how my mind works. If the breakout took it up here and it retraced, it had to retrace a shitload to come back here. So the fact that it didn't break out that far, but it did break out with momentum, it didn't have to retrace that much. It only had to retrace 23.6% to get down to this line. If it had to retrace like 50 or 60%, that's not good, right? So if it broke out like the way up here and then it came back down, that's not good. But it broke out just enough to where all it had to do was a 23% retracement, and now we can find our way to the upside. That's how I like to see it. I don't like to see these crazy huge breakouts because then the retracement has to go like 60% to get back down to the line, and that's just never good. If it breaks out up here and then comes back, that's not good. But if it breaks out like this, right, and then comes down just slightly for the retest, and now we can move to the upside like that with power. About to get another cross on the stochastic. All right, that's another indicator I use sometimes. Kind of the same thing as all the other ones, but telling the same story really. But we're about to get another cross on the stochastic, which is kind of validating this retest, so that's good. Yeah, it just looks real good right now. It looks real good. It looks promising. It does look promising, guys. 15 respecting the 15-minute time frame. We're respecting the trend line here. We got the golden cross on the 15-minute right here. Now it's time from the retest to move to the upside, and that is what I think is going to happen. I think that's what's going to happen here. We're right now, and actually right now, right this second, I need rockets in the chat because we're about to get a golden cross on the 30. So if you see the screen and you're hearing me talk right now, throw some rockets up in the chat. We're about to get a golden cross on the 30-minute time frame. Let's go. All right, that's how we do it. This is a fractal market. All right, we got it on the 5. We got it on the 15. Now we're trying to get it on the 30, and the next one obviously will be the 1 hour, so on and so forth until we get our cross on the daily, which is actually going to be insanely awesome. And so, yeah, golden cross happening right now on the 30-minute time frame. Let's go. Let's get it. Timeless, I see you. Always with the rockets. Thank you, bro. Wiley, I see you. Let's get it. Who else has got some rockets for me? Where y'all at? This is big stuff if you're in Mvis. This is big stuff if you're in Mvis right now. Rockets in the chat for the golden cross on the 30-minute time frame. Let's go. I'm going to drop some too. Why not? Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, let's get it. Oh my god. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nice retest here. Found support where resistance once was. Let's go. Yes, let's get it. Oh, it didn't work. That's, oh, there it is. All right, there it is. There it went. Ah, moons. Moons are good too. Moons are always good. Let's go, Mvis. Let's go. 560. Back on the retest. We got to get above this. Oh, man. Guys, if we get above this right here, I'm telling you, it's going to run. If we get back above this, that confirms the retest. We got to get above 572. That is going to confirm the retest here. And it's about to happen. All right, we're about to get a golden cross on the 30-minute time frame. RSI on the 1 hour time frame, or on the 30-minute time frame. It hit that overbought, but it came back down. So we have room to run here, okay? We have room to run now. We came up to overbought. We came up to about 71 on the RSI. Dipped down to about 60 for that retest. Now we're going to move to the upside. Getting the golden cross on the 30. It just looks good. It just looks real good. All right? It looks real freaking good. Oh, let's go. Let's go, Mvis. Let's go. I need Mvis to run. I'm ready. I'm ready for this shit. 7 months. Damn it. 7 months. Get me out of this freaking wedge. For God's sake. Get me out of this freaking wedge. I don't know, S-Hall. Like I said, if you watch my videos, I don't think they're going to give these shorts much time. I think they're going to feel the burn with the freaking quickness, all right? They're not going to give them time. The only way they can attack this is the same way they did here. Look at this shit. So the only reason they were able to do this is because look how fast they did it. They did this so fast. Look at this move. They did a liquidity grab here and took all this money very, very fast before anybody could do anything about it. So I think that's exactly what they're going to do here. I think they're going to grab this liquidity real quick. I do. I think if this breaks that 200 and we get a cross on the daily time frame, they're going to grab this liquidity very, very quickly and take us up to that 975 really fast. All right, I don't know if we're going to go above 975, but I'm fairly sure that we're going to test 975 on this breakout. I'm fairly sure about it. And I think it's going to happen faster than you expect. Because I don't think they're going to give all these people that have been selling here time to like do anything. And most retail traders have no fucking clue what they're doing. So I think that they're just going to hold their positions thinking that, oh, it's just going to keep going down. Yeah, wait till they come hit your stop loss. Wait till they come hit your stop loss that you have set here at 975. Yeah, just wait for that. I mean, seriously though. So yeah, we're gonna find out. We are definitely gonna find out. Right now, as it stands, 560 on the ticker. I think we're up about 11.5%. Yeah, 11.78% on the. This, look how cookie cutter this looks, guys. Do y'all think I made this up? I can't be this. I can't guess this good. Like breakout retest. Now we make our move to the upside. We did a shallow retracement down to that 200 on the 1 hour, and right here you see it, 1 hour time frame. Breakout, retest, came down to the 200, found support, and now we're supposed to make our way up above this area right here around 572, 573. That's how it's supposed to work. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens here, but I think it's going to happen. We just got our golden cross on the 30-minute time frame. Well, not technically yet, but it is happening. All right, you see how close it is. It's pretty darn close. Pretty darn close here. All right, that's close enough for me to say it's happening. Threw $100 at $179 calls for the hell of it. Hey, that might be a good play. You probably make some money on that. Shout out to you for doing that. That's probably a good play. Oh, for January 7th? Your strike price is $9? Oh, that might be January 7th, what? At a $9 strike? So you got, what, 4 days for that? That could happen. That could definitely happen. If this does what it's supposed to do, that's going to be easy money, I think. I don't know if it's going to run. I don't know how fast it's going to run. I mean, like I said, you probably got that pretty cheap. So I would say that that's probably a good trade, but we'll have to wait and see. I wish you the best on it. All right. Dinah. Hey, let this cat out. Hold on. All right, that was the cat, the freaking cat. All right, who all's in here, man? Where y'all at? Let's keep this chat moving. I got a little bit more time to spend with you guys. I can't stay all day. I got to do something before power hour, but yeah, no, it's been a good morning. All right, it's been a good morning for Mvis. It really has. It's been a super solid one. We had a nice break of these SMAs. Man, I kind of wish I would have took the trade at the break of the SMAs, to be honest with you. If I'd have seen this, if I'd have been up early enough, if I was up at like 8:30 this morning, I would have took this trade here. I think I would have did it here. I really would have. I should have did it here. I wasn't up though. When I woke up, we were approaching the trend line. So yeah, I would have took the trade here probably if I'd have seen this. Did anybody add on here? Did anybody buy any shares or anything like that on any of my zones? How many of y'all did that? Smez is the name. I'm in the money. Hopefully breaks through. Yeah, I think it will. Yeah, I think it will. Well, we already broke through. We just need this retest to like actually take off here. If you guys want me to look at a chart for you, or you want me to like do some TA on a stock, throw me like $5 on a super chat, and I'll make it happen. I'll dive in for you. Trevor bought 1,000 at 557. Nice. Nice. That is a good buy. That is definitely a good buy. Shout out to you. Let's get it. You're a real one. We had the same idea. We had basically the same idea because I think I got it. I think I did it at 557 too. I think I did it at 557. Exactly. So. I bought call options this morning on that low. Nice. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Hey, you could probably scalp those, but I would hold those, man. I think this is gonna go. I think this is gonna go up. I really do. I truly think it is. It could be dumb and come back down, but I think in the medium term, like in the next couple days, this is gonna go up. I think this is gonna go up, man. I really do. I can't see it just coming back down. It doesn't make any damn sense. 7 months on a break, 7 months on this trend line. We finally break it and get a perfect retest. I don't know. It looks too cookie cutter to like come back down and like just screw us over. Hey, it doesn't make any damn sense. It makes no sense. So I think it's going to keep going up in the next couple days. I truly do. Volume is pretty low. That's why I think this is manipulation, but that could play in our favor. All right, that could play in our favor. When we see low volume and we have, big moves, that's institutions. That's the market makers, all right? And like I said, they could be targeting the top side liquidity. And I already know, like, they could be playing a short-term game too. All right, you got to look at this, all right? When we start getting equal highs and equal lows, let me remove this. I'm going to show you guys something, all right? When we start getting equal highs and equal lows here, right? Market consolidate a little bit. They could be playing a short-term game for sure, all right? But we know that when we get equal highs like this, that means that there's sellers here, okay? There's sellers around this area. And this is a supply zone, all right? We see the supply here. So let me do this. I'm showing you guys this fast, but this is a supply zone, all right? So we'll make it like this. That is a supply zone. So we know that there's sellers here. So it's possible that they're just doing a liquidity grab, a short-term liquidity grab, right? They came up, they know that there's stop losses up here at structure, which like I said, I'm gonna show you guys this quick because this is just what I do and I know what I'm talking about. There are stop losses here at structure, right here. All right, so what they did, and this is structure right here. What they did, what they could be doing is targeting short-term liquidity. All right, stop losses here. They ripped price above the supply zone, took out the liquidity right here. Okay, and now it could just come back down. It could do that, but you also got to zoom out. You can't just be thinking like that because, like I said, there's liquidity here too. There's a lot of liquidity here. There's liquidity up here at 630. All right, we have equal highs up here. So we know that there's stop losses here. All right. So we know that there's stop losses here for sure around 650. Okay. And knowing that they consolidated the market like this, okay, we know that the stop losses are here at 650 for anybody that knows what the hell they're doing. They're putting their stop loss here 100% for sure. All right. And the market makers know that. And I know that. So if I'm a market maker, where do I have to take the price to get that money? I have to take it to 650. Or higher. I got to take it a little higher than 650. Maybe even like right here at structure, like around 655 or something. So I know that there's stop losses here, just me being me. So I know that they know that. And so it would make sense that if they're starting to target the top side liquidity, they're going to do it. I mean, they already got this. They already got the ones that were shorting here. All right. They came up and grabbed it. And like I said, that's just what they do. So I know that their stop loss is here too. This consolidation in here, their stop loss is going to be somewhere up in here. And so if I'm a market maker, I got to take the price up here. So I think we're coming at least to 650. I really believe that. I know that's how they do it. If that makes sense to you, give me a thumbs up in the chat. I truly believe that. If you know what I'm talking about, if that makes any sense to you, everything I just said, give me a thumbs up in the chat. Because if you understand what I just said, you're on your way, or you're there already. You're a good trader. You know what you're talking about. All right, because if I'm trading this, if I'm shorting here, or I'm buying puts or whatever, I'm putting my stop loss here. And I know that. So they have to bring it up here at least to get that money. At least. And then you look at the next level. All right, where's the next level of liquidity? All right, the next level of liquidity is right here. Where's the stop loss? Stop loss is going to be right here. So then the next level is like 750. They have to take it to get that money. And they're just going to keep doing that over and over and over until they get to where they want it to be, basically. They're just going to start targeting this top side liquidity. And that's why I think we're going to 975. All right. That is why I think we're going to 975. One sec. All right, Floyd, come here. All right, you guys might hear Floyd. He's kind of chilling in here. All right, let's see. I got 500 more at 5:30 this AM. Nice. Oh, nice. That was a good buy. Good stuff, Wiley or Willie. Good stuff. All right. Where are we at? 556 on the ticker. We got to get above 572. That's what we need to get above. Where you guys at, man? I'm getting tired. I need to get some more coffee. Oh my God. We got 51 people in here. Let's get some rockets in the chat one more time. I'm gonna keep calling for it. Floyd says he wants some. You want some rockets in the chat, Floyd? Floyd. All right, you heard him. Floyd said put some rockets in the damn chat right now. You heard him yourself. He is currently standing in front of my monitor. You gotta move, bro. Yeah, you gotta get over a little bit. Watch out. Floyd said put some rockets up in the chat for Mvis. I love this cat, man. This is a badass cat. He's cool. Nobody's gonna put rockets for Floyd. All right, I'm gonna put some for Floyd. Watch out. Get your balls out of my face. Oh my gosh, this freaking cat. Go on. All right, I'm putting some rockets for Floyd. He's awesome. Let's get it. Floyd knows what's up. Actually, I'm gonna put some cat emojis for Floyd. Floyd is a cat, so he gets cat emojis. Let's go. I know. You know I don't speak Spanish. 556 on the ticker. All right, come on, Mvis. Let's start forming a trend line. That's what we need. We need to form like a trend line. We need something like this. Guys, I'm going to stream for about... what time is it? I'm going to stream for about 15 or 20 more minutes, all right? And then we're going to take off, and I will be back for Power Hour. We're going to cover Power Hour, so make sure you come back for that. 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm really going to try to make it. I want to guarantee you, but I'm going to try my best to make it back for that. But regardless, it's been a great day, all right? We had a nice breakout, big move, and we had a shallow retracement down to the for the retest, and I hope it holds, man. I really do. I hope it holds. I hope it holds. Elias of One says shorts are simmering. Yeah, I hope they are. I hope they feel that shit. Shorting should just be taken out of the market. You shouldn't be able to short anything. That's stupid. All they did was create a game where they can make more money off us. They should just take that out of the freaking game. That is so dumb. It's just gambling. I mean, that's all it is. It's just they just created this as like a gambling, legal gambling. That's literally what it is at this point. All right, Mvis, we need to start forming this trend line here and making our way up. All right, we got to make our way out of this zone, above this area right here at 572. That's like what we really need to have happen. 572. We got to get above that for the day. That would be awesome. If we can get above 572 for today, I'm going to call that a huge W. That's going to be a big old win for us, all right? It really is. That's going to be awesome. Matt Bradshaw, thank you for the comments, man. I appreciate you. Guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know how many of you here are actually subscribed, but hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that, stroke my ego a little bit. Let me get them numbers up. We actually been growing pretty good lately. I've been getting new subs, making new videos. We got a few new people in the group. We're doing good, man. We're doing good. We got 2,441 subscribers on YouTube. Trying to hit that 5,000 mark. Not going to be easy, but I'm down for the long haul. All right, so make sure you guys go watch my videos. All right, if you want to help me out, you know, go click those videos, watch it, learn something, because I'm giving free knowledge. It's completely free. I should be charging for this. And matter of fact, I don't know why I don't, but it is completely free. So if you want to learn price action, you want to learn how to trade like me, and you want to learn how to, you know, take advantage of the manipulation in the market and trade with the people that are doing it, go watch my videos. Dude, really. I put out a couple supply and demand videos that is like straight gold. I mean, really. Go watch them. Highly, highly recommend. Orlando Luna, be nice. We can't hate on people that did that. It takes balls to buy up there. It takes balls to buy at 15, 20 bucks, bro. That's not easy to do. So we're coming to get those people. All those ones that are holding those averages, so we got you. All right. We got to be nice to these people, man. We can't be like that. It took balls to buy at 15 plus. It really did. It really did. So all of you that have the conviction to do that, shout out to you. Just hold strong. We're coming for you. We'll be back there in no time. I believe, at least. I have conviction. If you did buy up there, if you are holding an average that high, I highly suggest averaging down. All right, I'm suggesting it as a friend. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you as a friend. And even if I'm a mentor towards you, we do one-on-ones. This is a great time for you to average down and, you know, get a really, really nice average. Anything under 10 bucks is going to be great, guys. I promise you. All the haters and everything that are hating on this stock or whatever, just wait a year. Wait a year from now. We're going to see what they'll be saying. I think we're going to be way up there. I really do. I think we're going to land a deal in 2022, and I think that we're definitely going to do it. So I think it's going to be nice for us in the near future. What do you think about Wednesday? I think that I don't really have any. I'm kind of neutral on it, James Anderson. I really am just kind of neutral. I don't have any expectations, and I don't have really anything to say about it. I'm just going to wait and see what they say and see what happens. We'll gauge. I like to react to things. I don't like to get too speculative, right? I kind of bought into the buyout news when I first got into the stock, and a little bit, and that's not why I actually got in the stock, but there was rumors of that, and it's just I try not to have expectations, right? I'm gonna let them do what they do. I know this stuff takes time. I know that LiDAR is new in the world, right? So I know there's a market for it, and I know that we could be the best in class with it. So I'm gonna let it play out the way it's gonna play out, and I hope that it's in our favor. But as far as Wednesday goes, yeah, just gonna wait and see what happens, man. I hope we get some news. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. I think they're saving a lot of money by doing it virtual, I'll tell you that much. But I hope they say something good. I hope we get some kind of news that, just generates more volume. I really do. Back above that, the demand zone now. 557 on the ticker. All right, nice. We need to hold this. And that what this is going to do, guys, like I said, this retest, it really just forms a flag pattern, right? Like, because if I draw it in like this, like it looks like right now, this really just forms like a little flag pattern. You know, we have the breakout, then we have the flag. So I know for sure that if this retest plays out like it's supposed to, we're definitely going to come up here and test this area again, right? Because if I draw this like this, it just creates like a flag. And when you have a big move like this, and you start creating this flag pattern like this, right? You have that like that. And that's usually what happens. That's just usually what happens with this setup. So it looks like it's forming a flag pattern, and it just looks really good. It looks really solid right now. It really does. We're breaking new levels of structure. We got some momentum. We broke out of a 7-month downtrend. We have golden crosses happening on all time frames. 30-minute just happened, actually. We literally just got that golden cross on the 30-minute right now as we speak. And so it just looks really bullish. It looks good. It looks really nice. We've been streaming for 2.5 hours. I'm probably going to cut the stream here, guys, all right? I got a few things I got to do. I appreciate y'all for being here, though. I really do. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. We had, you know, decent amount of people in here. Thank y'all very much. Make sure you hit the like button on this live stream, all right? If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, all right? Help a brother out. Thank you very much. If you guys want to support me further, there's a join button under this video that gets you on the YouTube team, all right? There's three tiers of support you can choose from. It's $3 a month. You can go find enough quarters on the street to help me out like that. I would appreciate it. It makes me feel good. It strokes my ego. And it makes me want to get on here and do this more. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to get on the Discord team, send me an email at zonetradinggroup@gmail.com. All right, we'll get you on the team on the Discord. And that's really all I have right now. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close the stream off. I will be back for Power Hour, most likely. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning for sure. Peace and love from my end, guys. I'm going to go ahead and sign out, all right? See the rest of you on Discord, man. Let's get some rockets in the chat for Mvis before I dip out of here. I got to see some rockets before I close this. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a crap ton of rockets because today has been a great day for Microvision. And I bought 875 more shares. Let's go. Damn, it's been a good day. I'm going to drop some rockets in here for you guys. Let's get it. Mvis to the moon, all right? I will see you guys later. Power Hour. Or if not, if I don't make it, tomorrow morning, okay? Peace and love from my end. I'm out.